Well, hi folks, this is Darren with MyRV Works, and we have enjoyed doing live streams with everybody on the first Friday of every month, and we're going to continue doing that, but on May, we're going to do it the second Friday of the month, okay? So May 12th is when we're going to do our live stream. We just had a scheduling conflict for this first Friday of May, and it would just make it easier for all the wheels that are spinning to just do it on the second Friday of May. And June will probably bounce back to the first Friday, but so that's what's going on this first Friday of May. Is we're just going to move it to May 12th. Okay, so on May 12th, we're going to do a live stream. The description below will have all the information for the time stamps and all that kind of stuff on when we're going to do that. In the meantime, we do have more videos we're editing and we're coming out with that we're making. Got some exciting things coming for you guys. Also, some of you have heard, if you've been watching us, we started a second company called T3 Interface. T3 Interface is the intersection between time, talent, and treasure, and your time, your talent, your money, and I'm making tools. I did it for a long, long time as an engineer, and so you get to have benefit of that. So we've started a new YouTube channel on T3 Interface, and it's brand new. We just started it. So if you guys want to, again, the link to that will be in the description below. We'll just throw a lot of stuff down there as you're used to seeing. Anyway, T3 Interface, go check it out, and subscribe to that one, and you can follow us along as we make tools. I'll take you along the journey of what goes on in my brain when I'm making a tool. What I would love for that is for you guys to give us feedback. I've got about 80 tool designs in my head that I'm working with, but I would love to hear back from you guys on some pain points that you have as you're working on things. It's like, boy, if there was something that did this, well, my whole background is that, so let's play around with that. So anyway, we have more videos coming out on our MyRV Works channel, and we're gonna go live streaming on May 12th, and more information in the description below. So look forward to seeing everybody next Friday with respect to when I'm recording this, because it's this Friday, and we'll see you guys on May 12th. All right, see you then. Bye.